Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sanket Gupta. I am consulting homeopathic physician at AKG's OVM's medical centers. Corona and COVID-19, the disease, is a pandemic and has got all of us. It's a really scary situation. In reality, it is not as such. Number of deaths is much less and the number of curative cases is much high. So we should look more into that. And most importantly, I'm not sure a lot of you are aware of this, but homeopathy has a beautiful role to play in this scenario. It not only increases the immunity of the patient, but we are seeing at our cases, at our clinics and AKG's OVMs, a lot of cases being helped with homeopathy. That too, which have been suspected COVID cases and even a few positive cases. Homeopathy not only improves the immunity but has the ability to root out the disease completely, be it a virus, be it any virus, be it coronavirus itself. Mild to moderate symptoms have shown tremendous improvement with homeopathic medicines. Only those cases where the level of oxygen goes drastically down, I would say below 85 on your pulse oximeter, which you can check on your pulse oximeter. Those cases need definitely hospitalization, as it requires adjuvant oxygen therapy and might also require ventilation. See, there are many medicines, not just arsenic album, which has been promoted as an immune booster. Yes, it is a wonderful medicine, but there are many other medicines which have been proved and been seen working wonderfully in the current scenario. I myself have seen a lot of cases and medicines like China Horse, Eupatorium, Belladonna, Aconite, Bryonia, Gelsemium have given beautiful results in the present times. Every second patient we see is suffering from some kind of fever, and we medics, we believe that any and every strain of COVID-19 is showing certain symptoms in almost all the cases. The most important thing is not to panic. See your physician, see your homeopathic doctor, see your nearest physician, and don't panic. That is extremely important. And get yourself tested also. There's no need to feel stigmatized by this disease. It is very important to get yourself tested and isolate yourself if you turn out to be positive. Along with the medicines, it is very important to take care of your immunity by following the norms that we've been told by the WHO and by the ministries, health ministries. Like everybody knows, doing saline water gargles and haldi ka doodh, and taking tulsi with hot water along with honey and ginger. These all have antimicrobial effects on the body, and they raise your fighting capacity, the basic fighting capacity of the body. So keep taking them, stay positive, stay faithful, be vigilant of course, and see your nearest homeopathic doctor in case of any need. Be it fever, be it mild cough, be it dry cough, be it sore throat, be it body ache, be it headaches, be it chill with fever, anything. There are wonderful homeopathic medicines that can take care of your symptoms and your disease. And for all such more videos and information regarding health and awareness, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.